Welcome to your first air and space project, the Baloon Car. You'll demonstrate the principles of rocket science using everyday household items. What do a rocket and a balloon car have in common? Both use propellant to create thrust. The compressed air in the balloon car acts like the combustible fuel in a rocket. They both use Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Here is the bill of materials for your balloon car. You will need 4 plastic bottle caps, 2 bamboo skewers, 2 straws, 1 piece of cardboard, scissors and a ruler, tape, 1 balloon, and some clay. Ensure the cardboard is exactly 3 by 5 inches. Phase 1 is the chassis and axles. Cut a 3x 5-inch piece of cardboard and 2 3-inch long pieces of straw. Tape 1 straw to the front and 1 to the back of the cardboard, flush with the edges. These straws will serve as your axles. Phase 2 is the wheel assembly. Fill the bottle caps with clay and cut the pointy ends off the bamboo skewers. Push a skewer through the center of the clay in the bottle cap. Pass the skewer through the straw and attach a wheel to the other end. Ensure the wheel spins freely. Phase 3 is the propulsion system. Insert one end of the straw into the balloon and seal it tightly with tape so no air escapes. Tape the straw to the top of the chassis between the axles, with the open end of the straw extending slightly off the back. The physics engine is based on the principle of action and reaction. The action is the compressed air rushing out of the straw to the back. The reaction is the force pushing the car forward. This is the same principle used to launch rockets into space. For the pre-flight checklist and launch, ensure the wheels are straight, the balloon is secured, and the axles spin freely. Inflate the balloon through the straw, and then launch your car by releasing the straw's end. Mission complete. Now you are ready to experiment.